Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the oil life monitor on your Lincoln Nautilus. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position. If your Nautilus has a keyless start, simply press the engine start-stop button without pressing the brake pedal. Next, find the settings button, typically located on your steering wheel or the main display screen. Once you've accessed the settings menu, you'll need to navigate to the vehicle-specific options. Use the directional arrows or scroll wheel on your steering wheel to move through the menu choices. Look for and select the option labeled Vehicle Settings. After highlighting it, press the OK button to enter this submenu. Now that you are in the Vehicle Settings menu, continue scrolling through the available options. You are looking for the Oil Life selection. This option displays your current oil life percentage. Once you have highlighted Oil Life, press the OK button to proceed to the next step, which will allow you to reset the system. To finalize the reset, press and hold the OK button. Keep holding it down for several seconds until you see a confirmation message, such as Reset Successful, or until the oil life display changes to 100%. This indicates that your oil life monitor has been successfully reset. You are now all set until your next scheduled oil change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.